I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. I'm going to show you how to remove the bark from the stave, chase a perfect ring, shape the bow's profile, and tiller it into an awesome bow. And as a special bonus for this course, I'm going to show you how to make Comanche arrows and how to use your new bow and arrow like a real Comanche warrior.